Start by going to the LPS Media Department page and finding the Login button at the top of the page. Left-click on the Login button that is located inside the accessibility bar. Find the big "Forgot Your Password" button located at the bottom of the gray login form and left-click on it. After the web page has loaded, find and left-click inside the email address text field to activate it. Type in your work email address that is tied to your user account. Then left-click on the captcha button labeled "I'm not a robot." Note, if the captcha window pops up, then follow the steps inside of the pop-up window to prove that you are not a robot. After the email address text field and the "I'm not a robot" button has been selected, left-click on the Submit button that is located at the bottom of the form. Proceed to your work email account and find the email with the subject "Your Lawrence Public Schools Password Reset Request." Note, it may take up to several seconds to a few minutes for an email verification to be sent out. Open the link that is located inside that email. After a new tab or window has opened, a new form will appear asking you to enter your username. Left-click inside the text field for username to activate it. Write in your username. The text field for verification code should already be filled out, but if it is not, then copy the verification code that is located inside the verification email and paste it inside of the verification code text field. Press the Submit button after all of the text fields has been filled out. After pressing the Submit button, a new form will load for setting up your new password. Find and left-click anywhere inside of the text field labeled "Password" to activate it. Type in a new password inside of the Password text field. After typing in a new password, left-click inside the text field labeled "Confirm Password" to activate it. Type in the same new password that was typed inside of the Password text field. Left-click on the Submit button after both of the password text fields have been filled out.